Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is maximum residue limits. The clarification by Indian government comes amid a spice ban imposed by the Hong Kong food regulator on two leading Indian brands, MDH and Everest, on alleged presence of pesticide ethylene oxide in their samples. It asserted that India has one of the most stringent standards of maximum residue limits in the world. It rejected reports suggesting that food regulator, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, allows high level of residues in spices and herbs. Health Ministry clarified that maximum residue limits are different for various food products based on risk assessment. Pesticides are regulated by the Ministry of Agriculture through the Central Insecticide Board and Registration Committee constituted under the Insecticide Act 1968. FSSAI aligns with the updated standards of MRLs set by Codex Alimentarius Commission and the European Union. MRLs fixed by Codex for spices and culinary herbs range from 0.1 to 80 mg per kg. The Codex Alimentarius Commission is an international food standards body established jointly by the Food and Agriculture Organization and the World Health Organization in May 1963. The objective of CAC is to protect consumers' health and ensure fair practices in the food trade. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, the Codex Alimentarius Commission is an international food standards body established by which organization? Food and Agriculture Organization, World Health Organization, both A and B, or none of the above? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.